What if you could build wealth without owning a single property by starting as a remote customer service agent? Picture this. You wake up in your bedroom, zero experience, but earning $18 per hour, answering simple order questions. Day one feels basic, but then you discover something unexpected. Companies pay bonuses for speaking multiple languages. Suddenly, your high school Spanish becomes worth hundreds extra monthly. You master their software platforms. And within months, other businesses start hiring you as a consultant. Your manager notices your skills and offers specialized roles, paying double your starting rate. Soon, you're training new agents for additional income, then leading entire teams. Within 2 years, you launch your own virtual assistant agency, hiring others just like you started. The most surprising part? Major companies hire immediately with just basic typing skills and reliable internet. They provide all training and equipment upfront. No credit checks, no money down, just your willingness to learn. One remote job became a business empire.